Today today I made this and this and this and this and this and this and this. So yeah, and this is original website. Yeah, and that I create this and this is my code. This is nav corporate. This is corporate navbar and height is 75 viewport of this. Here is height 75 viewport and second div is this. Second div is this or our commitment to this and inside this one and this. So parent is outside and to child and this is also child of this parent and I make flex this image and gap is 120 pixel and here is I there is a margin from here 120 pixel and environment and I think I create environment environment is this. This is environment. Here is environment and governance. Here is governance and here is this is our this and this background color of here is code. The background color of this is background color this and inside one max width is 83.83 and margin auto, so that it will be center, and button is read more button. Okay, so this is my code.